interrupt this program for an emergency message. At the request of the South Carolina Law Enforcement Division, an Amber Alert has been activated. The following is information regarding a child's abduction. On December 23rd, 1-year-old Paradise Green and 3-year-old Majesty Green were abducted in Simpsonville, South Carolina. Paradise Green is a black female. She weighs about 25 pounds, has black hair and brown eyes, was last seen wearing blue jeans and a speckled shirt. 3-month-old Majesty Green was also abducted. She weighs about 8 pounds, has black hair and brown eyes, was last seen wearing a white onesie with dinosaurs. The suspect, Walter Lewis Green, is described as a 26-year-old biracial male. He stands 5 foot 10 inches tall and weighs about 145 pounds, has black hair and brown eyes. Walter Lewis Green is in a 2016 black Jeep Cherokee with South Carolina license plates SGF 636. If you have any information regarding this abduction, please call 911 immediately. This has been an Amber Alert. We now return to regular programming.